and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Taking your students outside to learn is not just a fun break. It's one of the best things you can do for their focus, creativity and connection to the real world. Studies shows that learning outdoors reduces stress, boosts engagement and helps make abstract ideas feel real and exciting. But I know for teachers, planning these lessons can be time consuming and overwhelming. Today I'm going to show you two fantastic places where you can find free downloadable activities and lessons specifically designed for outdoor learning. These sites have everything from full lesson plans to simple printable worksheets. The interesting thing is that the resources are highly relevant and align well with major international curricula such as IGCSE, IB and Edexcel. So let's explore. So you can see here on the screen, this is called Learning Through Landscapes. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description, and you can see here it is completely free. So you can browse and download free outdoor lesson ideas for every age and subject areas. So you can filter for early years, primary, secondary and for different subjects. So let me choose something for primary. Let's say science, and I'm going to select filter. You can select any one of it. For example, there is something called leaf slides. You can click here and you can simply download the PDF. Wow, you can see here there is complete learning outcomes and what is required, what is the activity, what equipment is there, what questions to help generate curiosity. Also check for understanding like questions and the right answers. Similarly, you can make a filter, let's say for secondary, and you can also choose a subject, let's say literacy and language, and you can apply filter and you can get so many ready resources. This one is interactive timelines. Just click download PDF and you can see here a very good activity with equipments, detail of activity and extension with learning objectives. You can try this website for outdoor learning. Let's move to the second website, Plant Heroes. And here you go. You can apply different filters. I'm selecting first of all language English. I can also select ecology, forest health, plant conservation. It's mainly focused on sustainability and outdoor sciences. So you can select the age group. Let me select age 4 to 10 years old, and I'm selecting an outdoor activity, and let's try soundscapes, sound of an ecosystem. So you can just click here, download lesson. So you can see here there is a complete lesson goal, lesson summary, word bank, similarly the printed digital material, setup, other materials, and the complete procedure is here to perform this activity. What are the lesson questions? Lesson starter or opener. You can see the lesson questions, pre-lesson explorations, additional resources, outdoor lesson including the worksheet. So there is a complete worksheet. It's ready. You just need to print and you can perform these activities with your students. So I tried and found it's very useful. Please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.